Hello students, in this video you have to understand the preparation of the secondary alcohol with the help of Grignard reagent. Preparation of the secondary alcohol with the help of Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent, for example, CH3NGBr. This is methyl magnesium bromide. This is a methyl magnesium bromide. And for the formation of secondary alcohol, you have to use other aldehyde except the formaldehyde. For example, we use the CH3CHO. This is acetaldehyde. This is acetaldehyde. How will you prepare? Now you have to prepare the secondary alcohol. Same thing will be take place CH3NGBr. Heterolytic cleavage takes place to form CH3 minus plus NGBr. This is a nucleophilic reagent, or you can say it is a nucleophile, and this one is electrophile. CH3CHO. This is acetaldehyde, or you can say ethanol. This is ethanol. Now bond will shifted towards this side, and since oxygen is more electronegative, the structure will be like this one, CH3H positive negative. Now nucleophile attack takes place. Nucleophile attack by CH3. This one will attack on this carbon atom, CH3H. This one will be CH3. This one. Now this NGBr will attack on this oxygen atom, CH3H, CH3ONGBr. This is the intermediate compound. Now hydrolysis will take place. Hydrolysis will take place. Reaction with the water. The bond between oxygen and magnesium will be broken, and CH3, this is the OH, and side product will be MgBr, basic magnesium bromide. This is a secondary alcohol because the carbon at which OH is bonded, it has only one hydrogen atom. It is attached bonded to the two alkyl group. This is, its common name is isopropyl alcohol. Well, you can say propanol 2. IUPAC name is propanol 2. This is propanol 2. This is IUPAC name of this compound, and it is a secondary alcohol. In this way, you can prepare. You can use, if you use different aldehyde apart from the formaldehyde, the different type of alcohols will be obtained. Now we will come to the preparation of the tertiary alcohol. Tertiary alcohol can be prepared by the reaction between the Grignard reagent and ketone followed by hydrolysis. Listen to me. Grignard reagent and ketone undergoes addition reaction, nucleophilic addition reaction, then hydrolysis takes place to form the tertiary alcohol. Grignard reagent as usual, for example, CH3NGBr. Its name is methyl magnesium bromide, and you can use any ketone. Simplest ketone is acetone. Its name is acetone. Common name acetone. Although IUPAC name of this will be It's propanone. This is propanone. What will take place? CH3MgBr. This is Grignard undergoes heterolytic cleavage to form CH3 minus MgBr plus. This is a nucleophile and MgBr is a electrophile. We take propanone CH3CO. Electron will shifted towards the oxygen atom because oxygen is more electronegative in the carbon. CH3 minus, this will be plus. Now nucleophile attack takes place. Initially nucleophile attack minus nucleophile attack by CH3 minus. It will attack on this carbon atom because it is negative charge, it is positive charge. That's why it forms CH3. This one is minus charge, oxygen. Now this electrophile will take place, attack on this one, this oxygen atom. Electrophile attack forms CH3 OMgBr. Now the bond between oxygen and magnesium, it will be broken during the hydrolysis. During the hydrolysis, this bond is broken to form CH3OH and side product is basic magnesium bromide. This is tertiary alcohol named as tertiary butyl alcohol, or you can say common name, this one is 2-methyl proptol. This is a tertiary alcohol. In this method, you are using the Grignard agent, you can prepare primary alcohol, secondary alcohol and tertiary alcohol, and it is a very important method for the preparation of alcohol. It is a very important for the other purpose of, it is also important for the reactions regarding the aldehyde and ketone. Okay.